This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate lava cake without chocolate. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, 2 large eggs, and 2 egg yolks for richness. Also, have on hand 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. A pinch of salt and a splash of vanilla extract will enhance the flavors, creating a truly decadent treat. Now, let's prepare the batter. Begin by melting about 1/2 cup of unsalted butter with 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder in a small saucepan over low heat. Stir until smooth, then set aside to cool slightly. In a separate bowl, whisk 2 large eggs, 2 egg yolks, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture is pale and thick. Carefully fold in 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. Then incorporate the cooled cocoa butter mixture until just combined, being careful not to overmix. Achieving that perfect molten center is all about the bake. First, generously grease and lightly flour 4 individual ramekins, ensuring they are well coated to prevent sticking. Divide the batter evenly among these prepared ramekins. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the cakes for approximately 12 to 14 minutes. The edges should be set, but the center should still be slightly wobbly, indicating that delicious, gooey interior is ready. Finally, it's time to enjoy your incredible creation. Once baked, let the cakes cool in their ramekins for just 1 minute. Then, carefully invert each warm cake onto a serving plate. For an elegant touch, dust with a sprinkle of powdered sugar or add a handful of fresh berries. A scoop of vanilla bean ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream makes a wonderful accompaniment. Serve immediately to savor that irresistible, warm, and flowing molten center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.